Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Prudent ventures into the details of the CEC report. Report has no mention about iron ore traders who were thrown out by the Goa government for dubious dealings. All blame on traditional Goan miners. Opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane dares the government to initiate probe against him for condonation of delay issue. Says he doesn't care. Environmentalists blame miners. State celebrates Feast of Immaculate Conception with pomp of fair and varied activities on Saturday. Services grab advantage over Goa after fine betting displays by Soumik Chatterjee and Yashpal Singh in Ranji Trophy. I-League leaders Dempo Sports Club crowns big spending Prayag United. Suyuka, Carvalho and Climax score for Dempo after Renty Martins puts Prayag ahead. Top Indian experts to enlighten football stakeholders in GFDC's Sports Medicine Seminar on Sunday. Valpai Football Centre to open on Monday. Now the news in detail. Central Empowered Committee in its preliminary report has missed the 450 dubious traders whose license was cancelled by the state government for dubious ore trading. These traders are suspected to be the kingpins of illegal mining. Instead, the committee has blamed traditional miners in Goa for all the illegalities.
CC report disclosure has once again stirred and elongated the uncertainties looming large over the resumption of mining operation in the state. CC report has been direct and recommendations made to the Supreme Court are alarming. The second part of the CC report, we try to explore the recommendations in detail. CC report to Supreme Court highlights mining blatantly allowed in the national parks and near wildlife sanctuaries, contradiction between the production details records maintained by IBM and State Mines Department. Export figures of iron ore during last 5 years is much more than quantity legally produced. There is no system of verifying the quantity of minerals produced. 20 million metric tons of iron ore produced from the overburdened dumps without environmental clearances. 2 mining leases were operated by the subsidiary of a company registered outside India. Mining operations were being carried out below the groundwater level. Sharp increase in production of iron ore affected the environment and the ecology. Damage to river Zuari and Mandovi. Natural vegetation and wildlife affected. Water crisis in Shirgaon, Vedgaon, Pisulle and Surla villages. Rampant and reckless overloaded trucks claimed at least 1 life a week. High prevalence of respiratory diseases among the residents of 4 talukas representing mining belts. No control by the previous government. Ironically, it was found that CEC did not mention anything about 450 iron ore traders in the preliminary report. They were involved in the export of iron ore. The Goa government cancelled the licenses of nearly 450 iron ore traders registered as a fallout after Shah Commission report was tabled in the parliament. Mahesh Gadi for Prudent Media.
Opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane has dared the state government to initiate probe against him and condonation of delay of 42 mining leases. He said, let them hand over the case to the CBI, I don't care. On one side, Congress is feigning innocence in the matter, and environmentalists are blaming the miners.
South Goa Truck Owners Association President Prakash Rao Desai has reacted on the CEC report. He says government should save the people dependent on mining.
CEC in Supreme Court report सबमिट केलेले आसा आनी त्या रिपोर्टा प्रमाणे अशें दिसता की 3 वर्सां पासून मायनिंग चालू जावपाची ना आनी त्या रिपोर्टा भितर अशें सरकाराक ताचें सांगलेलें आसा की जाता तितले बेगीन तांकां रिपोर्ट तेणी सरकारान सबमीट करपाचो आनी तेंच्यांनी जें कितें जाता तितले प्रयत्न करून तेणी जाता तितले कोर्टान तो सबमीट करचो रिपोर्ट गोंयच्या गव्हर्मेंटान आनी जाता तितले बेगीन जे कोण कल्प्रीट आसा हें करपाक कारणीभूत जे मेन कोण आसा तेंचे जाता तितले बेगीन एक्शन घेवपें आनी ते पयशे रिकवर करचे.
Opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane, who is at present in question along with Digambar Kamath for their roles in the blatant mining approvals and condonation of delay issue, dared government to take action against him.
Your reaction, sir?
No, I don't need to react. It is for those who have to react. I have nothing to say. I am not.
No, regarding the coordination in mining disease, sir.
You ask the mine owners. Why are you asking me?
No. Even the.
I'm a farmer.
No. I'm just asking you, sir. Even the CEC yesterday submitted a report. They are saying that the 42 mining disease we are by the coordination, they are all are illegal. They will decide. Okay.
You can have inquiries.
But even the sir, even this one state government recommended they are going to file a FIR against ex-minister and you also, sir. What do you want to say on that?
They can send it to CBI or anywhere they want.
Okay.
Environmentalist Ramesh Gaus has blamed it on the mine owners for the ongoing mining fiasco.
आता CECचो रिपोर्ट पब्लीश जाल्यानंतर आमच्या लक्षान येयलें 110 पानांचो आनी भितर जवळ 20 आसात त्यो काही सूचना ज्यो केल्ल्यो आसात इम्प्लिमेंटेशन खातीरच्यो त्यो पळयल्या नंतर लक्षान येता की गोंयच्या खाणीच्या संदर्भात भवितव्य खूपच डेंजरस आसा, भयानक आसा. गोंयच्यो खाणी परत सुरू करण्याच्या संदर्भात प्रचंड मोठ्यो अडचणी आसात आनी एका सर्वस्वी जबाबदार गोंयचेच खाणवाले आसात.
While GPCC President Subhash Shirolkar is not ready to accept the CEC report and the blame on the erstwhile Congress government for the mining mess,
I would straight away say and refute, because not only mining, you take any industry, is there not irregularity asana? But doesn't mean that you close it down for forever. Doesn't mean you close the industry. Till the day of election, even after election, the mining industry was going on. But who has put it in the samples? I don't think it's the Congress party. Never it is the Congress party.
It's by the court.
You assess the statements in the last 6 months. You assess the statements. You assess the decisions in the last 6 to 8 months. Let's see, matter is sub judice. Let the court take a decision.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Lack of coordination between Goa Board and Director of Education is hampering quality of education in the state. Former President of the Principals Forum, Sadanand Hinde, has said it. Higher Secondary Principals Forum is completing 25 years. As a part of the Silver Jubilee celebration on 11th of December, Forum will release compilation of educational circulars from the year 2002 till 2012.
Right from the inception of the higher secondary schools, which was started in the state, all the circular given by the education department to run the higher secondary school is being mentioned in those circulars. And those circulars become in fact the Bible for running all the higher secondary schools. And these circulars are sent at randomly. It is being misplaced, and as a result we have compiled them so that it is used not only for the aided higher secondary, also for the government higher secondary, as well as it is now department is utilizing the same thing.
President of Principals Forum, Sudan Barve, said that manual of circulars will help new principals and staff to understand the rules to run the schools. Barve also said that at the celebration program, they are going to raise the issue of quality of education.
Director of Education is with us, Chairman of the Goa Board is with us, and Honorable Chief Minister, who is also the Education Minister. Mr. Parsikar was our ex-colleague. So we have brought them together in this function, and we want to raise the same issue as you are raising today. So because of lack of coordination between them, the institutions are suffering. The students are suffering.
With video journalist Devendra Gaonkar, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.